Respected parents, teachers, and my dear loving children, it's my privilege and blessings from the Almighty to announce the result of Second Language Fiesta 2022. Malayalam department has coordinated well and conducted different activities for kiddies, sub-juniors, juniors, and seniors. Today, I am going to announce the result of those competitions. In this pandemic, our teachers and students were trying their level best to do all the activities with the same spirit like previous years. This time, I would like to congratulate all the winners and appreciate all the participants, and I would like to thank all the dedicated teachers from the Malayalam department for your wonderful coordination. Next, to our beloved parents for the support, motivation and blessings given to our children to participate in different activities. Let me announce the result one by one. Home recitation, kiddies boys. Third prize goes to two children. Devar Sajid from 3C Greenhouse and Ivan Alexander from 2E Yellow House. Back to third prize. Second prize back to by Angelo Anthony from 3C Yellow House. And poem recitation kiddies boys. First prize goes to Nived Rajiv from 2C Red House. Congratulations to all the winners. Moving on to storytelling kiddies boys. Third prize goes to Ivan Alexander, 2E Yellow House. And second prize back to by Angelo Anthony, 3C Yellow House. And storytelling kiddies boys. First prize goes to Nived Rajiv, 2C from Red House. Congratulations to all the winners. Moving on to action song kiddies boys. David Ajit, 2C Greenhouse, back third prize. And second prize back to by Angelo Anthony, 3C Yellow House. And action song kiddies boys. First prize goes to Nived Rajiv, 2C from Red House. Congratulations to all the winners. Next, poem recitation kiddies girls. Third prize goes to Niranjana Jairaj, 3D from Blue House. Second prize back to by Devananda Chiro, 2D Blue House. And poem recitation kiddies girls. First prize goes to Aisha Ihajnisa, 3D from Greenhouse. Congratulations, children. Moving on to storytelling kiddies girls. Third prize goes to Devananda Chiro, 2D from Blue House. Second prize back to by Niranjana from 3D Blue House. And storytelling kiddies girls. First prize back to by Aisha Ihajnisa, 3D from Greenhouse. Congratulations to all the winners. Moving on to action song kiddies girls. Third prize goes to Aisha Noor from 2D Blue House. Second prize back to by Devananda Chiro from 2D Blue House. Action song kiddies girls. First prize goes to Hamsini Levin, 2D from Greenhouse. Congratulations to all the winners. Moving on to sub-junior boys. Recitation. Third prize goes to Yamin Muhammad, 4C Yellow House. Second position back to by Vince Binu, 5C Blue House. And sub-junior boys recitation. First prize back to by Grigory Vishal, 5A Red House. Congratulations to all the winners. Next, storytelling, sub-junior boys. Third prize goes to Yadu Krishna 4C Red House. Second position goes to Vince Vinu 5C Blue House. And storytelling sub-junior boys, first position goes to Abel Jacob 4C Green House. Congratulations to all the winners. Then read aloud sub-junior boys. Third position goes to Adil Muhammad 5A Red House, and second position goes to Vince Binu 5C Blue House. And read aloud sub-junior boys, first position goes to Yadu Krishna 4C Red House. Congratulations to all the winners. Moving on to sub-junior girls recitation. Third position back to by Riya Rajesh 4D Red House. Second position goes to Aminatul Fida 5B Green House. And sub-junior girls recitation. First prize goes to Haika Haidar 4D Blue House. Congratulations to all the winners. Storytelling. Third prize goes to Dia Mariam 4D Blue House. Second position back to by Haika Haidar 4D Blue House. And sub-junior girls storytelling, first prize back to by Nasreen Sultana 4D Red House. Congratulations. Read aloud sub-junior girls. Third prize goes to Zara Jassi 5B Blue House. And second position back to by Aminatul Fida 5B Green House. And read aloud sub-junior girls. First position goes to Sulekha Sulfikar 5B Red House. Congratulations to all the winners. Moving on to junior boys recitation. Third prize shared by two children. Ashas 6C from Yellow House and Hadar Babu 7A Blue House. Then second prize back to by two children. Abhinan Sulfikar 7A Yellow House. Shreyas Sunilkumar 7C Green House. Here junior boys recitation. First prize back to by Hari Govind 8C Red House. Congratulations to all the winners. Next, elocution. Junior boys. Third prize goes to Muhammad Fadil 7A Red House. Second prize back to by Christy Shibu 6C Green House. And elocution junior boys first prize goes to Shreyas Sunilkumar 7C Green House. Congratulations to all the winners. Next, read aloud junior boys. Third prize goes to Muhammad Aban 8A Green House. And second prize goes to Hadi Muhammad Iqbal 6C Green House. And read aloud junior boys. First prize back to by Shreyas Sunilkumar 7C Green House. Congratulations to all the winners. Moving on to junior girls recitation. Third prize back to by two children. Nia Nelvin 7D Green House and Devika Dilip 8B Blue House. And second position back to by two children. Aisha Babu 7D Red House and Hanna Fatima 7D Blue House. And junior girls recitation. First prize back to by Aisha Mariam 6B Yellow House. Congratulations to all the winners. Next, elocution junior girls. Third prize goes to Reha Fatima 7D Yellow House. Second position back to by Aksa Mariam 6B Yellow House. And elocution junior girls. First prize goes to Srinithi Biju 7D Green House. Congratulations to all the winners. Next, read aloud junior girls. Third prize back to by two children. Reha Fatima 7D Yellow House and Akila Joseph 7D Green House. Then second position backed by two children, Hania Haider, 7B Red House, and Hannah Fatima, 7B Blue House. Here comes read aloud junior girls first prize, Fatima Anina, 8B Blue House. Congratulations to all the winners. Moving on to senior boys, we have two participants. Second prize goes to Muhammad Dufasal, 10C Green House. And senior boys recitation, first prize backed by Aman Junaid, 10C Green House. Congratulations. Elocution senior boys, second prize backed by two children, Muhammad Hilal, 10E Blue House, and Muhammad Aman, 10A Red House. Then elocution senior boys, first prize backed by Arjun VR, 10A Blue House. Congratulations to all the winners. Then folk song, we had one participant, that is Afzal Shah, 9A Green House, backed by first prize. Congratulations. Next, moving on to senior girls. Senior girls recitation, third prize backed by two children, Anne Teresa, 10B Red House, and Nida Masri, 10B Green House. And second prize also backed by two children, Nandana Sajid, 10B Red House, Hanan Ashar, 9B Red House. Then senior girls recitation, first prize backed by Mariam Nisar Said, 9B Blue House. Congratulations to all the winners. Elocution senior girls. Second prize backed by two children, Riyasmita, 10B Green House, and Farsana Siddiq, 10B Yellow House. And elocution senior girls, first prize backed by
Asniya Naushad,
9B Green House. Congratulations to all the winners. Folk song senior girls, third prize goes to Surabhi BS, 10B Blue House. Second prize backed by two children, Akhila Santosh, 10B Blue House, and Prarthana Shanoj, 10D Blue House. And folk song senior girls, first prize backed by two children, Anne Teresa, 10B Red House, Mariam Nisar Said, 9B Blue House. Congratulations to all the winners.